What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are cloning a transmission module for this 2014 Jeep Wrangler, and we're using the Xhorse Xtreme programmer for this. So this is a blank ECU. This is the donor ECU, and we're gonna read first the computer from this vehicle. So as you can see, we already read the information from the internal flash EEPROM, and then we're gonna read the maps. So we're gonna read it right there. We're gonna read the maps. We're gonna save all the information, and then we're gonna transfer the information from this one to this one. So we always make a copy just in case something happens. Okay, so now we're gonna read the original information from the this TCU. This is the original that was in the vehicle. As you can see, it's all full of oil. And on this one we have the version number 1. But before we start, I'm gonna take you how we found this. So we're gonna go to device, and we're gonna search CF lower dash Bosch. Let me see right there, Bosch. And it's gonna be this one right here, the Alfa Romeo. So once you click on it, it will take you to this right here. So everything's in blank now because I changed. Well, it's the same, but I just restarted. So when we go to detail, here's the adapter we use, which is the MCU adapter 1.0. Next, we're gonna have the version number 1 for this vehicle. All right, so the connection is already done. As you can see, the tool is powered on, and we have device connection successful. So the next step is to connect with the device right here. So we need Wi-Fi for this. So once we have all connected, we just connect. It's gonna start initializing the module. There we go, chip configuration successful. And there we have the type of ECU. All right, so we're just gonna wait for all that information to be accessed. The CPU type looks like it's a little bit different, but it doesn't matter. So once we security access all this, we should hear a beep. And there we go. We already have the information. So now we're gonna read the EEPROM, and that one's really quick. All right. We read the EEPROM, and we should have the part number on this with the pin number all written. Okay, we should have it right here. There we go. Okay, so we go to internal flash, and we read the same. We should be good to go. Okay, so all the data has been read successfully, and now we're gonna proceed to save all this information. Another interesting part that this module is blank is because I already found the VIN number on the donor. This is the VIN number of the vehicle, and I can prove that with this right here. So this is the vehicle that we want to program. I took the VIN number, and it's programmed on 4 different paths. So we have the path, this one, A380. Then we have, well, that's the first one. Let me just go on the other one. It's located on different ones, as you can see. And I can confirm that by just clicking over here. Just going right here. So this is the same data, but for the new one, as you can see, it doesn't have any data written inside. So we have a blank state module, and we need to paste this one to the donor module, which is the other one. So I'm gonna take this one out and bring the other one. Okay, so here we have it already, the new one. And the next step is we're just gonna start a new session. So we're gonna open the device, and we're gonna press OK to start brand new. Turn on flash, maps, and all that. So here we go. Let me just get rid of this right here. Okay, so here we have it, and we're gonna open the file. So this is gonna be the file on the, let me see, Cherokee data. We're gonna see the file of the original donor. So we're gonna select the first one, which is the EEPROM, and then so on. Okay, so now we have the information already loaded with the original data from the donor TCM. So now we're gonna connect to the TCM. So we're gonna initialize the device and we're just gonna wait confirmation. There we go. Looks like it's good. All right, so we already have the connection. So we're gonna press continue. And then we're gonna write the information that we have here in the screen, which is the information that I took from the donor computer. So we're just gonna write it. And there we go. We're just gonna wait. And there we go, the information has been written. So now it's verifying the process and the writing was successful. So next one is the internal flash, and we're gonna write it too. So we just write and we just wait. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Let's start. And there we go, writing the information. So this one's a little bit faster than the internal EEPROM. There we go, writing the data. And we have the second part already done, writing data success. That's the internal flash. And here we go with the last one. Let's connect. And then we're gonna write the maps. Come on, come on. Okay, there we go. And we're gonna write the last part. So we write this information. There we go. And there we go. So the faster one is the maps at the end. So there we go. Successfully clone the computer. And now we're gonna check it. We have the vehicle right there. So we're gonna install it and start working again. Here we have it. We have this connected outside. If you connect it like this, it will probably say that it's in reverse because it doesn't have anything on the side. We're gonna use the scanner and access the module and make sure we have the right VIN number written in this module. Okay, so let's lower the vehicle and see what happens. Okay, so now we're gonna connect our tool, which is the MaxiSys, so you can use any tool to access the information in the module. So we're gonna be using this one. There you go. So right now I'm gonna open the switch, but most of the cases the switch will stay closed if the module is not programmed. So, and also it won't close because it's gonna detect that it's in reverse. So we're gonna open the switch right now. There we go, and it's actually in drive. So once I close the switch, it will not let me close it, but once we open the switch, there we go. So that means the module's program. If you connect it and you don't see anything or doesn't light up like this, that means the module's not programmed and we don't have many lights on. Okay, so we're gonna auto detect the bin, and yep, come on. I just want to see the information written in the module, make sure everything's right. We're gonna see some codes in the module, but that's normal because the module's outside the ball body. So that means no physical connection is with the solenoids or speed sensor or the range sensor. It's not all connected. It's just the module outside itself. But I want to make sure everything's working and connecting fine. So diagnosis, we're gonna do auto scan, and we should see the TCM showing up right here. There we go. And there we go. We have the transmission online. We ECU information. And we should see the same VIN number written in this module. And there we go. VIN original and current. So successfully programmed the module. And let's see the codes we have. As you can see, internal watchdog performance. So that's because it's not connected with the other stuff. But there we go. We have everything good. Special function. Set the pin number. And if we do the VIN number, you should see it will not let us do it because it's already written. And there you go, not supported. So if we go reset ECU, there we go. Okay, we go back, read codes, and yep, internal watchdog performance. So just gonna clear the codes, and we go back to see the codes. And there we go. We have the other code gone, and this is pretty much all we have left right now. So this is a successful clone, guys. This is how you clone the TCM for a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee 3.6 liter. Pretty much this software applies for a lot of those computers. And well, if you need some assistance or you want to send your module so I can clone it for you, you can use the link down below, my email, send me a message, and well, we can hopefully we can work something out. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, comment, like the video, dislike if you didn't like, and I'll see you on the next episode. JVFIX out.